Welcome to Enchanting Discoveries. Get ready to elevate your tech experience with 3 incredible products that will boost your productivity and creativity. Product 1, STRIFF Adjustable Laptop Tabletop Stand. Introducing the STRIFF Adjustable Laptop Tabletop Stand, your ergonomic companion. Say goodbye to uncomfortable hunching and hello to a comfortable viewing angle. It's foldable, portable, and compatible with laptops, tablets, and books. Plus, get a free phone stand for effortless multitasking. Elevate your productivity with STRIFF. Product 2, Portronics Ruffpad 8.5e Re-Writable LCD Writing Pad. Spark creativity with the Portronics Ruffpad 8.5e, India's first rewritable LCD writing pad. Write, draw, and play. Save and share your creations with the Ruffpad app, preserving memories at your fingertips. Save paper and contribute to a greener world. Unleash your creativity with Ruffpad. Product 3, HP W100 480p 30fps Digital Webcam. Connect like never before with the HP W100 Digital Webcam. Crystal clear video at 30fps, wide-angle view, and built-in microphone. It's perfect for video calls, online meetings, and more. Plug-and-play setup for effortless communication. Elevate your video call experience with HP W100. All products link in the description. Thanks for watching.